Now I'll explain about the Excel. See, this is a first row, column A1. When I click on this cell, see the column is A1. A column first row, A column second row. Now if I click on this E column second row, if I click on here, that means it is G column and the row number is 22. So you can see the row numbers here. If you want to add any row, if you want to go to any row like Z22 row, so here Z22 row. So in the search box of which cell you want to go, you can type here whatever you want, which row and which column you should mention. Then easily you can go. Now similarly again one more example I'll give. R column second row. Enter. See the R column, my see the green mark of box that is in R column second row. Now similarly again I want to go to A column first row. Now click on that. After typing which column, you should click enter button in keyboard. So it will the column and the row it will select after entering the enter button in keyboard. Now this is A1 column. Like this is about shortcut method of to go which cell you want to go. This is shortcut method you can type. Now this is a one cell, B1. So this each box, color box, this box will say as a cell. This box is a cell. So in this Excel sheet, there are many cells will be there. Now if you want to see, suppose I'm writing here month month, but I want to extend the month column to here. So you have to go to between A and B column. When you go here, you'll get a symbol like this plus cross. Now extend that with your mouse. You can extend, move the mouse. Now see this A column is increased. The width of A column is increased. Now if I want to give the color to this column, full column, so select, go to A column and down arrow, click on that. Now color option is there. So whatever color you want to give, you can give to a cell for complete A column. If you don't want any color means no need, leave it. Now in this month I want to type Jan, click enter, then it will go to the next column Feb. Now till Jan to Feb, March, April, May, June, till that like that. I don't want to type each and everything. So go to the January month. See here when you click on, when you go to the end of the edge of the corner of your box, a plus symbol came. Now bring that down. That means it will copy. It will increase the days, months. It will increase when we'll click here on the edge of the corner of your box, then plus symbol will come, or you can take from February block cell. Now bring that plus symbol. See here when I'm bringing the cells down, here you can see the months. It is June month, May, April, February, Jan, December, November. So I want till the 1 year. So 1 year complete months we got. Now if I want to give any serial number, serial number starts from 1. Click enter. It will go to the next. Now this 1 to 12. the 12 months are there, no? 1 to 12, I don't want to type any numbers like 1, 2, 3 in each cell. So here, one shortcut method again, go to the edge of the box. See, when I click on that edge of the box, it is all the row complete 1 1 1 it is there. But I want to change it as color to fill. Click on that box, you'll get fill series. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So when you click on that, so see different options are there. Copy cells, that means it will give only one number. Fill series, numbers will be changed, don't repeat. Fill formatting, only fill without formatting. Flash fill. So I just want to fill the series 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 till 12. Now this only the first month is there. No, I want only this cell in color, so I'll select this home. I'll select this. See, when I go to the edge of the column, then only I'll get color option. When I click on the inside the box, I won't get color option here. But when I click on the edge of the box of your cell, then only I'll get color option. That means you can fill that month in with whatever color you want. So I'm clicking blue, and here again we'll give one more color for serial number, green, and months, complete months. For each month we can give any color, yellow. Like this you can give each color to a cell. So this is a shortcut method instead of typing January, February, March till December. So when you go to the edge of the box of your, you will see the plus symbol. So when you click on that plus symbol, you can bring down the plus symbol like this. That means the days will increase. Now fill a format, fill a series. Like this you can edit 1 2 3s. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.